Hey, I was building this small porch with an overhead, and what's going to happen is this is a bedroom, and I wanted to remove the window and put a door in, okay, for easy entrance and exit. And as I was doing that, I was thinking about how I use these ladders, and it might sound trivial, but these ladders are they're necessary. I'll show you why. If I could do it over again, I wouldn't get the 4-foot ladder, I'd get a 6-foot. It easily fits inside every room, so you can paint, crown, cut in between the ceiling and the wall. They're light, the fiberglass. They're very stable. This is my go-to ladder. I like these, and 6-foot would be better, a universal size ladder. You can easily tell how tall the ladder is by just counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 4-footer. So if you're questioning what size ladder it is, that's a fast little trick. But what I wanted to show you was this ladder here. Now, this is a knockoff of the Little Giant. This is a gorilla ladder, and I really don't like these kind of ladders. They're heavy, they're sore on your feet, but you can't live without them. I mean, they're very important, and they take up no room. So I'll show you real quick, if you're not familiar, why this is such a necessary item in your toolbox. The first thing that you do is you pop them until you see the red, and then you can go like that. Now, if you want to telescope it, there's these 2 latches here, okay? And then you can just tip it and put it in any of these holes on the side here that you want. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. And make sure you hear the click and it goes in all the way. And then on the other side, but to work on this all day is really exhausting. Okay, and now you've got a ladder that you can get to the roof line. Let me show you, hold on a second. They do sell a couple of attachments for this. One of the attachments is something like this, where you can put your paint can, you can put your tools and your screwdrivers and your hammers, and it also allows you to stand on it. So what you would do is you'd push this forward, climb up over it, and now you got a platform that you can stand on and reach what you want. There's one other attachment that's super handy with this that I don't have. And what it allows you to do is take this leg completely out and that leg completely out, and they sell these 2 hinges so that you'll have 2 4-foot kind of tripods that you could put a plank along it and use it as a walk platform. That's very handy. Okay, and one of the other features that you can use this as an extension ladder, where you push in the 2 tabs till you see the red. Okay, and if you have trouble, by the way, you can play with it right here and it makes it easier. But once you've got that, it allows it to flip around and then it locks back in place. Okay, and then again, same system. You pull these out and you extend it up or extend it down and get the height that you need. And I'll just show you real quick. There you go. Again, make sure you don't see red. But if I have my choice, I would rather not use a ladder like this because, like I said, it's very tough on your feet. I like these conventional ladders better. But I want to show you why this is so necessary. And that's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, I'm trying to put the roof on, and I've got a set of stairs right here. Okay? And I'm getting too close to the edge to be safe on drilling it when I'm securing it with the screws. And this is where this type of ladder will save the day. And I'll show you what I mean. This is why you really need one of these. You can leave the one side extended and put this on the staircase. Where else would I be able to do this? It's just amazing. I'll catch you on the next one.